What's up guys, this is Masi. Welcome to another video. In this video I want to show you how to draw a loose structure for ClF3. ClF3 is called chlorine trifluoride. The first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna find out the total number of valence electrons. Total valence electrons. So we have chlorine, that's 7, plus we have 3 fluorine. In total we're going to have 28 valence electrons. Since we have only one atom of chlorine, it means that chlorine is going to be the central element. Now let's have chlorine in here and fluorine around it. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now let's count how many electrons we used. We have 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28. So we connect the bond between chlorine and fluorine. So we have 3 single bonds and we have 2 lone pairs on chlorine. So as you see here, all the electrons used, there is no more available valence electrons. So basically the loose structure is going to be like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we have 2 lone pairs on chlorine as well. So that's the loose structure for chlorine trifluoride. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question. Thank you for watching and have a great day.